All right. What do you get if you drop a grand piano down a mine shaft?
Oh, goodness.
It's a bad thing. So letter T is 2 times quantity. X minus 3y, ladies and gentlemen, please, equals x plus 4. And 3x plus 8 equals 5x minus y. Okay, so wait a second. Okay. Couple things to keep in mind. Decide how you want to lay it out. I think we're probably best keeping x term, y term equals rational number, because that's what we're used to. Also, don't forget, mark your A, mark your B. It helps to keep your equations organized. Okay? So what are you going to do? And just choose one and simplify it into the order you want it. What are you going to do first in equation A? Distribute, right?
Yeah, you distribute.
Okay, so what do you get in A prime first?
2x minus
2x
6y.
minus 6y, thank you, Angel, equals x plus 4. Because nothing happens on the other side yet. Notice I'm lining up all the equal signs. The more you keep your equal signs lined up, the more you can keep track of what's going on. It's just like a place, it's like railroad tracks. They always line up. It helps you find errors when you mess up. It just keeps you on track. What else should you do? Because remember, we want our x term, then our y term, then our equal sign, then our rational number. So what do you want to do? Who do you want to move out?
V. The X.
You want to move x out of the right-hand side and move it over into the left. And how are we going to do that? Add a negative x to both sides, right? We don't like subtracting. So how many x's do we wind up with?
1.
Just x, 1x minus 6 y's equals
Positive 4.
positive 4. And that's our true A prime. Because now we've done everything and we're happy with it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now let's simplify B. B, I'm going to rewrite it here to make it easier to see it. Excuse me?
What?
Did you have something you wanted to share?
Yes.
Yes, Alex, thank you. So what do you want to do here? What do you want to do first? Doesn't matter, you decide. Let's negative 5x. I'm going to talk first. So she wins. Negative 2x plus 8 equals, this one goes away, negative y. Now who gets to move out?
Y.
Y by doing what? Add y to both sides. Negative 2x plus y plus 8. What does it equal?
Nothing.
Nothing. What's the number for nothing?
0.
0. Thank you. Now who gets to move?
The
8. And what are we adding?
Negative.
Negative 8 to both sides. Good job. My equal sign moved around a little bit. And that's B prime. Okay? So here's our A prime, and here's our B prime. Can we use the addition method? I'm going to write it again right underneath. Can we use the addition method to simplify it yet?
Yes.
Who simplifies by just adding? Nobody. Okay, so somebody's got to find somebody to distribute with, don't they? Who do we want to play with? 2? I like 2 too. Who's 2 going to go play with? A prime. And we are going to end up with okay? So what we're going to wind up with is A with 2 hash marks, and we're going to end up with 2x minus 12y equals 8. And your B is still B prime. It hasn't changed. Negative 2x plus y equals negative 8. So what happens now? How many x's?
No, 0.
They're gone. What do you get here?
Negative 11y.
Negative 11y equals
0.
0. What's y?
0.
Y equals 0. How do we find x?
Substitute.
How do we find x?
Substitute.
Substitute where? A or B? The original A or B? Which one do you like?
B.
B, okay? So 3x plus 8 equals 5x minus 0. Everybody with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Excellent. So 3x plus 8 equals 5x. Now what? You know, you can move the x's over to this side. Move the x's over here.
Subtract 3.
Subtract 3x from both sides. Because remember, we don't care about what it looks like anymore. We're just trying to solve for x. So what's x?
4.
4. X equals 4. So our coordinate is 4, 0.